How to buy crypto on crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto on crypto.com. Now the process itself actually is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. Now in order to buy crypto, first you want to open up your crypto.com wallet. Once you open up the wallet, you should get an interface somewhat like this. Now at the bottom you can see various options. What you want to do is you want to simply tap on the crypto logo that you can see. Before being able to buy, however, you want to make sure that you have enough balance on your crypto wallet. At the top of your home screen, you'll be able to see the balance that you have on your wallet. If you don't have any, you can simply fund your account, or you fund your crypto wallet, or you can add in your debit or credit card. Once you have done so, what you want to do is you want to tap on that particular logo, and once you tap on it, you'll get these options here. At the very bottom, you'll see buy option. You can see there above the cross icon there, you want to simply tap on buy. Once you tap on buy, it'll give you the list of cryptocurrencies available to buy. So you want to simply select a crypto that you wish to buy, a currency. Suppose you want to buy Bitcoin, simply tap on Bitcoin, and then it'll head you to the Bitcoin detail page, the crypto detail page. You'll get three different options: buy, sell, and transfer. Simply tap on buy, and once you tap on buy, it'll ask you for details, how much, the amount that you wish to buy, and your payment details. And once you fill in all those details, you'll be able to buy it. So this way you can buy crypto on crypto.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.